The retainer strap is a steel strap with a hasp attached to it. It is used to secure the cloth upper bag to your dust collector. The strap will provide years of trouble-free use, but eventually the hasp can wear out and break. It will wear out faster if it is over-tightened. Replacing the retainer strap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old retainer strap from the dust collector. The retainer strap is secured with this hasp. To release it, I just pull the lever and then remove the wire buckle from the other half of the strap. Now I can pull this through the dust collection bag. And now I'll install the new retainer strap. First, I'll thread it through each of the loops on the bag. Once the strap is installed on the bag's loops, you may need to do some additional sizing so it'll hook together. If you do, it's just a matter of bending back this end of the metal strap, pulling some of the strap through the buckle, and then bending it back. Then I can connect the buckle and secure it with the hasp. And that's all it takes to install a new retainer strap on your dust collector.